When business devices work seamlessly together, business works better. That's why there's ThinkPhone by Motorola, which brings PC and mobile experiences together like never before. Instantly access any app, file, or workflow from your ThinkPhone right on your PC. Copy and paste or drag and drop files between the devices. You can even use the phone's advanced 50 megapixel camera system as a high-powered webcam. And you can access it all with a double tap on the iconic red key. This device is about boosting productivity, but it's also about security too. With the ThinkPhone, keep business data safe from threats and trusted ThinkShield security and years of updates. Take protection even further with the proven Think quality and durability, thanks to the lightweight aramid fiber that's stronger than steel, an aircraft aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Victus, and IP68 underwater protection. The ThinkPhone is up for anything the workday might bring. Speaking of the workday, make sure your business is always on with a 5,000 milliamp battery for over 36 hours of power. When it's time to power up, the 68-watt turbo power charger provides power for the day in just 10 minutes. It's also extremely compact, yet capable of fully powering your laptop. So when you're on the go, you can carry less and worry less. And this is all powered by the ultra-fast Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, your business's engine, opening everything instantly and making even the busiest workflows feel like a breeze. ThinkPhone delivers business class performance today and in the future. Want a business that works better together? Become one with a ThinkPhone.